Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys another platform that I have seen that you guys can use in making money here online in Nigeria. So without wasting much of your time, just like this video and also subscribe. Please, very important to leave a comment. If you don't like this video, I'm not going to log in and I'm not going to show you guys how the platform look like. I'm just kidding. Please like this video. It is very important, and don't forget to leave a comment. Don't forget to leave a comment. So I just heard about this platform. I watched more YouTube videos about this platform, and then I found out that this platform was real and legitimate. So I decided to register on this platform, and I'm going to share with you guys how you guys can earn money on this platform. So I'm just going to log into my account right now. Okay, the name of this platform should be 3C Digitals. Okay, it's showing password error. I'm just gonna pause this video and then show you guys how it works. Okay, let me just wait a little and then click on log in now. Okay, let's just wait a little. Okay, and I'm gonna fix in my number again. This should be internet connection 167725622. Okay, so I'm gonna click on sign in now. Okay, so logged into my wallet. So the name of this company is called 3C Digitals, and I've been on this company for quite some time right now, for quite some days, and to tell you guys, this company is very profitable, and I'm going to show you guys the amount I've already made from this. As you can see, my account balance right now is 1,408.10 naira, while the money I've already earned. Okay, let me use my ball so that I can highlight what I'm actually trying to see. So right now I've already made about 1,408 naira in just few days. I think it should be 4 days, and I've already made 269.11 naira. That is my today earnings, like the money I've already earned today. Now the total revenue I have is 1,108.10 naira. So on the revenue, so once you register on this platform, you're going to get 300 naira for free. Yes, you're going to get 300 naira for free free. Now, how does this platform work? For every person you invite on this platform, you're going to get 700 naira, but that's not the main way that you earn money here on this platform. So I'm going to copy my invitation link, and I'm going to be pasting it for anybody who wants to join this platform. Okay, who wants to join this platform? Now let me show you guys how really earn on this platform. Once you register on this platform, what you just have to go is to purchase a product. The minimum amount you can purchase a product is 3,000 naira. You have to purchase a product. Don't be afraid. I've already purchased my product from this website already. So not be, maybe it's a scam or something like that. Worry, because everything I'm doing here, I've already gone through it and I've seen that it's actually working. So okay, I think there should be internet connection. Okay, let me pause this video. Guys, this should be internet connection, internet service here. I'm sorry for this, guys. I'm sorry. Let me pause this video. Okay guys, I'm sorry for that. That will never happen again. So if you click on the product side, you're gonna see that we have different products and different levels here. So the first product just costs 3,000 naira, the second product costs 8,000 naira, and just like that up to level 9. So right now I'm in level 2. I've purchased the 8,000 naira product, and every day I get 380 naira. Every day I get 380 naira. So if you're coming into this platform, the platform is very safe. I've invested into this and it's actually working. So don't be afraid. You can come right here and make money and then you leave. So come over here and just make it to that 3,000 naira to purchase this, maybe these headsets, or you can decide to purchase the VR glasses. Let me show you the proof that I've purchased this VR glasses, which is the level 2, which costs 8,000 naira. So if I go over to upgraded products, you're going to see that it's going to show me the product I've already upgraded to. Okay, let's wait so that I can show you guys. So upgraded product. Okay, Okay, so as you guys can see, I've purchased these VR glasses, and the current level I am right now is in level 2. Okay, so I'm currently in level 2 and I've purchased the 8,000 naira VR glasses, and every day I earn 380. Now you can decide to withdraw your money either to bank or your crypto wallet. Yeah, either you want to withdraw your money over to your bank, or you want to withdraw your money to your crypto wallet. So to withdraw your money, what you just have to go is to click on this part where it says withdraw up right here. Let me show you guys that I'm currently in level 2. As you guys can see up right here, it's currently showing me that I'm in level 2, where you can see my phone number. Okay, where you can see my phone number up right here. I don't know if you guys are seeing it right here. So yeah, right here. So as you guys can see, I'm currently in level 2, and level 2 you earn 380 naira every day. Okay, now to withdraw money, what you just have to do is just to click on this part where it says withdraw. So if I click on this part where it says withdraw, it's going to bring me over to the withdrawal section, where I'm going to be asked to fix in either my bank account details or my crypto wallet details or my crypto wallet address. I'm going to receive pay, and the minimum withdrawals is 1,800 now. So either I want to withdraw money down to bank, or I want to withdraw it down to USDT. So trust me guys, this platform is currently safe and actually working. So I'm going to be leaving my link in the description box. So just click on my link to register on this particular website, and then you can start earning your money by just purchasing maybe this headset or this VR glasses. I hope this video was quite educative and informative. Please